National security in style. U.S. Congressman Tony Gonzalez joined Lockheed Martin and M2 Global to highlight the new F-35 Lightning II interactive cockpit today. M2 Global has been a supplier for Lockheed Martin for years, with more than 900 parts on the F-35. With a great aerospace presence here in San Antonio, that partnership means M2 will be doubling its manufacturing space, bringing more jobs to the city.
We can draw more business to San Antonio. It's a great place to work. Texas, with their cost structure and no taxes, is really a great place to bring companies in. And San Antonio does a great job, and Bexar County does a great job promoting that.
The tech companies say the aircraft is the most lethal and survivable and connected aircraft ever built. With the F-35's ability to collect, share, and analyze data, the fighter plane will help our men and women execute missions and return home safely.